I've heard that some of you have difficulty understanding why in French we are swallowing letters. One thing you have to know is that when you hear people from that country talk, they will talk really quickly for you because you're not used to hear the language. It's not usual for you. So because I'm French, I'm gonna give you some example I use on a daily basis, and I don't pay much attention to it because it's my mother tongue. So if I can give you tips to understand it better so you are not confused the next time you hear someone talk like that. So, je vais pas pouvoir venir vendredi. Je vais is just me swallowing the E of je. Je vais is just J and the verb going, aller. We're doing this to go faster, to go strictly to the point. This is the same thing when you talk to someone. For example, if I go with tu, I'm gonna give you an example. T'as pas vu mes chaussures? And I know why you could be confused because French is very confusing language. But t'as pas vu mes chaussures means tu n'as pas vu mes chaussures. It's a double swallow. It's like you swallow both letters at the same time. And if you want to be sure it's not a pronoun possessive, par exemple, ma robe, ta robe, sa robe, just pay attention to the syntax. If I say t'as pas vu, you have the subject, the negation, and the verb. And if you talk about a pronoun possessive, you just have the object of what you're talking about. So ta robe, c'est ma robe. There's no verb. But when you talk to someone, there's gonna be a verb just after what you said. I don't know if that makes sense. Je sais pas is actually the same thing. You swallowing letters again. Je sais pas. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. When someone is talking like that, it's usually with someone they know quite well. You can talk to strangers like that, but it's the matter of politeness, really. Because when you say tu in French, it usually means that you are very close to someone or you don't really respect that person. It really depends of the circumstances. So pay attention to that. And yeah, how should you really react is really depending of the content of question. T'as pas vu ma robe? Would answer non, j'ai pas vu, non, je sais pas, non, je sais pas. Hope that makes sense. Maybe I'll see you next time. Bye.